Take it easy, man.
Alright, nerds, and we are back, and yeah, new year, new cast. Well, not new cast, just a cast devoted to, I'm going to start presenting more. I've mentioned that before. That's something I'm going to do. I'm starting my new channel. That video should already be up. Hopefully it'll be up, but we all know how Cass is. She isn't in much of anything. That being said, I decided to when I record that video. That's what I'm doing. Either way, I apologize last week for not having have a video up, and I am nervous actually doing a video in full makeup for the first time. If I lose subscribers, I lose subscribers, but you guys should already know that I'm transgender. I don't hide it. But anyways, I picked up this Shining Legends Zoroark box. This is very cool. Another awesome pin to add to my collection, as well as a very, very cool looking promo card. I don't think I've pulled the Zoroark GX card as of yet, so that should be pretty darn exciting when I do. Hopefully I'll get it. Maybe I'll get the, I think there's the Rainbow Rare version is in this set. Yeah, because I think the full art version is in a box set, which I don't agree with. I really feel like that the full art and Rainbow cards should not be released as promotional cards, that they should be, something you pull, but, that's just how Cass feels about it. So, either way, let me open this box up. Let's see. And by the way, if you haven't checked out my new channel, it is called Trans and Heathen. There will be a card at the end of the video. Oh my god, I have a Spanish accent now. I have been watching too much Falcon. Anyways, how have you guys been? How's your new year? By the way, let me know if you have any New Year's resolutions of your own. Whatever it is, let me know in the comments section below. I will happily hear it. I'll talk to you about it. Ugh. See, now I'm going to be distracted. Alright. Anyways, we got our packs. Just like the Mew and the Mewtwo. Or not the Mew and Mewtwo, rather the Mewtwo and the Pikachu promo sets. It comes with 3 Shining Legends packs. Oh goodness, and I dropped my pen. Alright, so that's the pen. Very cool looking Zoroark pen, and we'll join the Mewtwo's over here. And of course we got the Zoroark promotional card. And again, I don't know how good this card is. Maybe it's good in competitive play. I have no idea. I have very, very briefly tipped my hands into the actual competitive play. So, and then of course you get your code card, which just gets you the Zoroark promotional card, as these packs do have individual codes inside of them, unlike, say, something awesome like these Victini Mythical Collection. And I also got the Genesect one, got them on Amazon for $8 each. I will have a link in the description below in case you want to take advantage of that deal yourself. So let's see, we got ourselves, what do we got here? We got 2 Shining Mews and a Shining Genesect, so we will have ourselves a Genesect sandwich and start with Shining Mew. I already have the Shining Mew card. I actually have 2 of them, which is quite nice. Let's see, I actually have Mew. I have the regular Mewtwo GX and the full art Mewtwo GX. I still need the secret rare version. See, I don't open up packs for a week, and this is what happens. I forget how to do it, because that's how Cass is. Alright, so let's see. And the great thing about these is they're all white code cards, so we don't know if we're getting anything good. We don't. It's a mystery. It's a mystery to us all. Anyways, hope you guys get something good out of that pack. 2, 3, and 4. I'm hoping I get something good out of my pack. That'd be pretty swell, wouldn't it? Anyways, alright, so we're starting off with, the Metal Energy. I forgot to put my guess the energy. I am not there right now, guys. I apologize. Double Colorless Energy, Scrafty, Buizel, Scraggy, Crocodile, Jinx, Pikachu, looking so cute, I love it. And, oh my god, this just made the box right there. Reverse Dark Energy. Oh my god, I love the reverse energies. Let's see if if the pack can deliver one more cool pull. And we got just a Latios regular holo. And holos in this set, of course, you should already know by now, you get a holo in every pack, so it's not that bad. Or rather, it's not that exciting. I'm not functioning today, guys. I am so sorry. Alright, so let's see. Let's open up our next pack. Let's see if Shiny Genesect brings us something decent. And again, it doesn't matter if we see the code. Oh, it's a white code card. I wonder what it could be. Oh, we're going to get a holo. How exciting. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. Guess the energy game. We're going to go with Darkness Energy. What? I got it. 1 out of 3. If I only get 1 out of 3, I am going to be very, very happy with myself. Carnivine, Quillfish, Torkoal, a Minun, Jinx, and Ivysaur, and a Totodile, which is one of my favorite Pokemon. And, of course, that is my computer going, and we're back. So, sorry about that. Let's see if we got a good rare card. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god, this isn't exactly something that was like on my want list, but oh my god, I have not. It's been almost a year since I pulled a hyper rare. My last one was my Lycanroc box. That was back in, oh my god, I had to have been good lord, yeah, about 8 months ago when I pulled my last hyper rare. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm happy. I'm so happy right now. Whatever we get in the last pack, that's all I need was just one good pull. Oh my god. And alright, last pack magic. Let's see what we get. Come on, we want one more good pull, right? We got that rainbow rare. We got the reverse energy. We have to pull something boss out of this pack. Alright, so anyways, if I can get the packaging off of there, just gonna toss you over there to the trash can, and there you guys go. You get another code card because I pulled that rainbow rare. Hopefully you get something good. Maybe you get your own rainbow rare Raichu. Let me know in the comment section below what you got. So we're gonna go with lightning energy. Wow, I should have just went with the same ones before. Double darkness. So there was 3 darkness energies in this thing. Wow, very cool. Volcarona, Golurk, Bullweasel, Pikachu, looking very cute. Bulbasaur, also looking very cute. And Torkoal, not quite as adorable, but, you know, adorable in its own way. Ivysaur, and a Floatzel reverse. And our rare is a Reshiram regular holographic. Well, I wanted to say regular rare, but it's not. But that is okay because we got the reverse energy and the Raichu hyper rare card. I am so excited. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy. Alright, nerds, if you enjoyed this video, if you liked watching me do pack openings while dressed up like ridiculously fancy, let me know in the comment section below. If you don't want to see me do it like this anymore, let me know. I'll stop. I have a little bit of shame. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click that like button, please subscribe, and be sure to check out my other videos. Be sure to check out my other channel, and I will see you nerds in the next video. Later.